Most home fires start in the kitchen when a person starts cooking and forgets about the food on the stove. It is easy to get distracted by a person, a phone call, or an electronic device. A fire can start in seconds. How to be safe. Stay in the kitchen when cooking with oil or grease. Always use a timer when cooking to remind you that the stove is on. Keep the stove area clean. Keep a lid near the stove in case of fire. Never pour water on a grease or oil fire. The best way to put out a small pan fire is to slide a lid over the pot or pan. Turn the burner off. Do not try to move a burning pan. Remove the lid only after the fire is out and cooled off.